Texas rattlesnake looks ready to hunt.
Well, buckle up, we are about to see a fight.
The following contest is an Elimination Chamber match. Making his way to the ring from Victoria, Texas, weighing in at 252 pounds, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Harsh steel, unforgiving plexiglass, and 6 of the most hungry competitors in WWE. This Elimination Chamber is going to be brutal.
And his opponents, first, from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 295 pounds, the Viper, Randy Orton!
This may sound hard to believe, gentlemen, but I think Orton might have actually loosened up a little recently.
It's more of a relaxed confidence. Randy Orton knows he's at the top of the game.
Yeah, but let's not forget, Randy Orton can still go to that dark place when he has to. And you don't want Orton going old school on you. A guy who treats every match as if it's the biggest one of his career. He definitely plans to steal the show tonight.
The champ is here. No one does it better. You have got to give it up to the living, breathing GOAT of WWE.
And from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, the Great
Fellas, I've been looking forward to this match for a while. Mostly because I'm outside the Elimination Chamber and not in it. Hustle, loyalty, and respect. His mantra.
great one is here. These days, Rock is more than great. We are looking at the final boss.
Maybe the most famous man on earth.
The Rock always makes an epic arrival.
And from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds,
We know The Rock is always looking to bring more glory to his family while growing his own personal legacy.
Thinks no one is on his or his family's level. The Rock is in a class all his own. That's what makes him the final boss.
A point proven many times over throughout an illustrious career. The Rock has come back to prove it again. Let's be honest, gentlemen, anything The Rock does is the biggest of all time.
And there's an electrifying energy in this building.
Yeah, I think we can all agree that the crowd right now knows they are witnessing undeniable greatness. It is indeed time to play the game.
Triple H, a true mastermind, dismantles opponents piece by piece.
And you're right about that, Cole. Each and every move is perfectly calculated.
from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 255 pounds,
Dozens of the toughest men and women in WWE history have braved this structure, and this combatant joins their ranks tonight. The competition level has never been higher, but this guy's ready to prove he can hang. The dead man rises. Once again, looming over the WWE landscape, a menacing shadow.
And from Death Valley, weighing in at 309 pounds, The Undertaker! The creatures of the night are out in full force tonight.
Representing an unbreakable bond that the dead man has had with the WWE Universe for over 3 decades.
I've seen this walk for 25 years, and I'm always in awe.
The Undertaker transcends eras, transcends sports entertainment.
A true phenom in every sense of the word.
Every Elimination Chamber match is unique, but there are certain strategies that are constant. Eliminate someone as quickly as possible and form an alliance if it's useful.
The problem is every single person in the chamber wants the same thing as you do, to be the last superstar standing.
Yeah, that's true, but before you can make that happen, you have to bite the bullet and form alliances where and when you can.
Those are the kinds of alliances that last about half a heartbeat.
What a coincidence. That's how long my patience lasts with you two at this table.
No respect being shown whatsoever with those stomps.
And a stomp to the gut.
Triple H taking the upper hand. Hey, it looks like Triple H is just punishing The Undertaker. This is how you punish your opponent. This is just nasty.
Oh, look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
And I don't think The Undertaker has quite found his opponent's weaknesses yet.
He knew he'd get hurt. In a match like this, you can't avoid it.
What a way to get out of that one. And that might be the start of the momentum swing he needed.
Yeah, the dead man getting some refreshed vitality. And now he's looking to lock in this submission. Got the camel clutch locked in.
Good game.
And he very quickly counters.
Two-handed choke slam.
He's in a very bad spot. Totally out of it.
Big back body drop. He thinks he has it.
Powering out at one.
Close call, but not enough yet.
Gotta respect the strategy to work over the arm.
Leg drop from the ropes.
Look who it is. Randy Orton. No escape in the chamber. Just how he wants it.
He gets...
Uh-oh. Crossface.
Got this one locked in extra. And rolls him off.
Vicious right forearm. Showing no signs of defense here, guys. Tiger suplex. Oh, look at this. Oh, man.
Makes the cover. He's able to kick out before two.
He couldn't make much of that pin attempt. Setting it up. Nice neck breaker.
Then we see Undertaker.
Boom, backdrop suplex.
On a high angle right across the shoulders.
Oh, gut punch. Nasty. Ooh.
Oh, no.
Oh, not to the belly. Clothesline. What impact. By Triple H.
Triple H is mauling Taker. Is this the breaking point for the dead man?
Oh, what a kick to the face.
Oh, my God.
Hooked up.
Shin breaker.
Cover here.
Yeah, no, he doesn't get the three.
Now is not the time to wallow in disbelief. Pressure must be kept on.
The DDT. Fight. German.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
No more waiting. The Rock is now part of this Elimination Chamber match. Does he get it here?
Meanwhile, The Rock still only got one. Here we go. Cover. Two. Got it. No, just a two.
Somehow, some way,
The cerebral assassin with the kick to the abdomen. Look at it!
And that was an efficient form of offense with that move.
Triple H has this all sewn up.
There's two. Kicks out. He still has life.
Obviously still has some fight left. Undertaker is ready to collect another soul, gentlemen. Popped up, no way.
yes,
way. What power. Tombstone. There won't be any coming back for The Rock now.
Is it enough? The cover! There's two. Oh, he kicked out.
What heart, what resilience we are seeing from The Rock. This will,
Oh my God!
Holy hell!
that was just incredible hang time.
Was willing to take the high risk to the outside, and it paid off big time.
Oh, my God. Wait. He breaks the ref's count before two.
That's smart, taking the one to catch your breath.
Hoisted up high here. Check your face after that one. Oh, and knee into the cover.
Oh, that got the official. How does anyone have this much in them at this point? And these guys are trying to prove they belong in the main event, that they are on top of the mountain here.
Big-time confidence leading to big-time matches. I love it. He wants out. Austin set to show what he's capable of inside the chamber.
He's certainly feeling that attack.
As was set up in the corner of the ring.
Then back to Randy Orton.
Randy Orton. There it is.
2 count. Oh, kick out at 2.
Unbelievable resilience and resolve from Triple H. The game is still in this.
That should have been it. 99% of the time it is.
That's his
He didn't get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
And Undertaker barely escapes the pin.
The fact that these superstars can still be moving at this point is beyond the realm of reality.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment. Then now to Undertaker.
Oh, man. Bulldog. Another attack to the head and looking a little dazed. Oh, he's. And landing with the double axe handle.
Up they go. Oh, atomic drop. And that prevents Undertaker's attack. Sidewalk slam.
Almost drove him through the ring. Got out of the way, but can he capitalize?
Pretty drop kick.
This is just establishing dominance.
Oh, what a stop right to the chest. Are you kidding me?
Assessing the field, John Cena looks more than ready to join this Elimination Chamber match.
Oh, what an uppercut. Will it be?
And the first elimination might be the toughest one to get.
Sliding back in under the ropes here. Right to the kidneys from behind.
Elbow throw, saying not today.
Oh, right to the chest. Kick to the stomach. Forearm just raking across the face with an exploder suplex. This is it. Digging deep for a kick out.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
Goes into the corner.
Tossed hard into the ring post.
Orton clearly rocked by a precise attack there.
Yeah, the intensity of this Falls Count Anywhere match continues to rise as it goes on.
What power! Stop by the Undertaker!
What devastation from the Undertaker.
And a kick out! What on earth? We got it covered! Now here's Orton. And he fights it off.
He just won't give up.
Austin might be stumbling into the dark hands of the Reaper.
Side Russian leg sweep.
Stone Cold end this.
Not quite enough to put him away.
The Elimination Chamber always makes its presence felt. Only one of these four combatants will leave here victorious.
This arena is roaring.
I think the desk is shaking. Picked up and being carried around now.
Right across the throat. It's time. It's time for the most electrifying move in all sports. Austin.
Meanwhile, here's Austin.
Somehow, Orton is down.
Gotta keep your head on the swivel now with just 3 superstars left in the chamber. Pulled back into the hip toss.
Austin just stomping away.
Calculating the next move here. Holy power slam! Nice counter by Austin. There goes Cena into a rough landing. He counters with a great reversal.
Big time clothesline.
Good grief.
And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one.
Austin looking to pay homage to the Lone Star State.
The rattlesnake's coiled, aimed at The Rock.
Austin with the stunner.
Nobody recovers when Austin
Into the
hits that.
cover. He stays alive. He stays alive.
And to borrow an old catchphrase, The Rock says, not yet.
And you've got to wonder if desperation starts to kick in for Stone Cold or if he stays the course. Steve Austin planted one there. Oof. Wow, what impact. Oh, foot just stomping down. An uninterrupted surge against Cena here.
And this match is all Austin now.
Running power slam. He's absorbing a lot.
Here it comes. Is that enough to take out Austin? Whoa! I'm absolutely stunned. A display of near superhuman resilience.
After seeing that, it's hard to imagine what it's going to take to keep this competitor down.
The Rock has cut some corners in the past, and he might be desperate enough to do it again after that kick out, guys.
And into the turnbuckle he goes.
Big chop block. That'll stop you in your tracks. Wicked clothesline.
Austin with
Stone Cold Stunner.
Austin got it! Austin got it!
He's got that boot right up against his face.
Come on.
He thinks he has it.
And it comes down to this, the last 2 competitors. But who will make this chamber their battleground?
Belly to belly. Oof. Did you hear the impact? Caught with the double axe handle. Counter. Saw it coming.
Oh, not today. Caught by surprise with the DDT.
Totally helpless at the moment. Running power slam.
Austin from the second rope drops the forearm.
Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm.
Austin applying the pressure.
The Rock has to devise a new plan here.
Austin gets stymied.
Rock finally finding a way to slow his opponent's assault down.
But Rock has to keep the pedal at full throttle while he has the opening. Austin getting in his opponent's face. I don't think the censors would like the venom that's coming out of the rattlesnake's mouth right now.
Oh, a knee.
Lights out.
Stomp to the gut.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Rock answers back.
Crucial turnaround there because he was falling behind.
Yeah, he clearly just got a much-needed boost of energy and defiance.
Manages to fight up. Austin hits the star.
Austin got it.
He gets the win inside the Elimination Chamber.
Here is your winner, Stone Cold Steve Austin!
They went the extra mile in this win.
I agree. What a win.
This win is spreading like a wildfire. The electricity in this arena is almost palpable.